How that is. Hey, Josh, look at this. Frogs are growling a bit.
What is that, Bentley? What is it? Bentley.
Look at that face on that thing. His mouth's open. He's like
wide open. Bentley doesn't know what to do with it.
Probably poisonous.
Hear that from Cher a lot.
Do that again. Lucky. Billy, what is it? Lucky, what is this? Go see.
It's a mean frog.
Oh, it's kind of sad.
Yeah. Hey, Caroline.
I've never seen
The
that.
frog growl. Challenging Bentley. This frog is growling at Bentley. He's growling back.
Look at his mouth.
Easy, Bentley.
You never knew I could have so much fun with a frog.
Hurry up, Chelsea. Come, Lucky.
You gonna see it? Here, come here.
Tired talking. He's ready for action. Oh God.
Oh, I feel so bad though.
I do feel kind of
Whatever.
bad for
It's
it.
not frog legs.
It
Don't
is
feel that
scared. It's screaming for help. Bentley,
Lucky.
what is that? Bentley thinks it's like a squeaker toy. You think it's a squeaky toy? What is it, Lucky? Come here. Lucky, come. Come. Look. What is that? What is it?
Don't bite it. Don't bite it.
Oh, it's putting its head on the ground. Oh, what is it?
Okay, ready? You ready for this? Hold on.
Right?
Bentley. No.
Easy.
Easy, that's baby.
It's like I can't even scream. I wonder, can it die from a...
That's exactly the sound.